Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up Windows 11 Microsoft opens and close immediately, as well as Windows store not opening error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a run, right click and click on a run, and type is a WSRESET, press OK. Microsoft store is open, so close it. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app section. After doing this, that go to your installed apps. In the search box type a store, scroll down and find out a Microsoft store. So in my case it's not installs. If show that Microsoft store, then go to your Microsoft store advanced options and click on repair and reset is. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type of services. So open a services. After opening the services, find out a Microsoft store, install services. Now here is the Microsoft store, install services. Open it and click on a automatic, click on a stop, click on a start button, click on apply and OK button. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.